What's up guys, I'm Mike Noward, and today we're talking about the new Workbrow Tree Shear and Grapple Combo. Our Tree Shear and Grapple is extremely versatile. It can be adapted for use with skid steer loaders, telehandlers, wheel loaders, mini excavators, and excavators all the way up to 30 metric tons. This unit here is going to be manufactured with Hardock steel, which is the best that SSAB has to offer. The frame is heavy, durable, and able to stand up to the harshest working environments. With 4 different sizes to choose from, we can find a unit that fits your individual needs. If your line of work is forestry, logging, landscaping, golf course maintenance, disaster relief, DOT, or highway applications, then we have a tree shear that's right for you. If you're handling saplings that are smaller than, let's say, 3 inches, then you're probably gonna look for a different type of attachment, maybe something like our mulching head or a stump ripper, for example. Built for quick, precise cuts, this blade design can handle all types of vegetation, from small saplings up to 16-inch trees with one single cut. If you just want to sort and you need just a standard grapple, that's no problem. You just take our blade off, it can be removed very quickly, and it gives you 2 functions with only 1 tool. This tree shear offers E-Boost, which is our patented hydraulic system designed to push operating capacity by upwards of 100% without sacrificing power. This leads to faster, cleaner, and safer operations, which will increase your workload production and lower operating costs. With the additional 360-degree rotation in either direction, you have the ability to work in tight spots and conditions that other products cannot. Additional components can be added to increase versatility, such as a felling support or an accumulator, which makes it possible to make multiple cuts without repositioning your machine. If you want to work smarter and not harder, contact your local Workbrow rep or reach out to your dealer today. The Workbrow Tree Shear Combo is ready to go. Let's get to work.